Hello viewers, if you are looking for a smartphone under the price bracket of 20,000 rupees, then you should definitely check out the unboxing of Vivo T3 5G. This is the retail unit. I have bought it with 128GB storage and 8GB of RAM at a price point of 17,999 rupees using SBI credit card, and I got 2,000 rupees cashback. I will unbox this device and show you the components inside this box and also some features inside Vivo T3 5G. As Flipkart offers open box delivery, the delivery boy has already opened it and I have resealed it and try to open the box for you so that you can have an idea. Opening the box, first you will get the documentation. As you can see here, you can read the booklets if you want to. Then there is the smartphone itself. The smartphone is wrapped up like this. As it was already opened, you can see that this is the smartphone Vivo T3 5G. We will talk about the phone later. Now let's see what else is there inside the box. Then there are many more things that you can get inside the box. There is SIM ejection pin, as you can see here. Next you will get a good quality TPU case, though it will get yellowish in course of time. However, the quality seems to be very good. Then there is, you can see the travel adapter, which is about 44 watt. It will give the flash charge to the phone and you can charge your device up to 100% in just 1 hour and 20 minutes. The quality of the adapter seems to be very good, and there are also, you can find inside the box, the Type-C cable. As you can see here, Type A to Type C cable for fast charging your device. So these are the box contents that you will get with Vivo T3 5G. This is the smartphone itself. It is a 8GB RAM and 128GB version. The build quality of T3 seems to be okay. Towards the bottom you will get the SIM tray. Towards the right there is volume button. On the top you will get a noise cancellation mic, and the back is made of plastics, but it will give you a solid feelings and it will not attract any magnets from your fingerprints. And the camera module also looks good. At the front you will get 6.67 inches OLED display, and on the top you will get 16 megapixel selfie shooter. I have powered on the device and I will quickly set up the device and come back. I have sped up the setting process and you should definitely see this and uncheck the boxes that I have unchecked in this video, because if you don't uncheck these boxes you will get recommendations and unwanted notifications from various apps. So I suggest you to uncheck these boxes, and also don't let the device to update via Wi-Fi automatically, because it may affect your device. Now the setup is almost complete. As you can see here, this is the home screen of Vivo T3 5G smartphone. This smartphone features 6.67 inches OLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate, and you can switch the refresh rate from 60 to 120Hz, and also there are smart switch option. The smartphone seems to be snappy as of now. I will test this device and give you a thorough review. So the screen quality of Vivo T3 5G seems to be very good. I have tried some HDR videos on YouTube. HDR videos plays beautifully, and you can see that the color algorithm and the color science of T3 is excellent. You will not find any issue with the display. This is a HDR 10 plus certified display, so you can enjoy HDR content on YouTube and also on Netflix. Plus it comes with stereo speakers, so you can enjoy your music too. Vivo T3 comes with 50 megapixel of main sensor with OIS. It is a Sony sensor, so you can expect good quality image, and the post processing of the image is also very good. Initially I cannot say anything about the camera, I will test the cameras thoroughly and give you an overview about the cameras. The next two cameras are 2 megapixel depth sensor and the third camera is a flicker sensor. In case of videography, you can shoot up to 4K 30 fps. 60 fps option is capped at 1080p. As per Vivo, it has anti-shake camera. As it has OIS, you will get stable footage from this camera. So I will test this feature in future. There is a 50 megapixel dedicated camera module. You can use that 50 megapixel mode, and in that 50 megapixel you can get picture like this with enough detail. Normally the phone captures image at 12.5 megapixel, but in 50 megapixel there is pixel binning technology, so you will get a very good detailed image. The camera has all the necessary modes that are basically available in a Vivo phones, so you can access those features. At initial stage, the camera seems to be very good. However, I have to test the cameras thoroughly, then I can say anything about the review of cameras. So this is the unboxing of Vivo T3 5G. If you have any question in your mind, let me know in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.